Hey guys, alright, so here's video number 2 on the trade-in Husqvarna Practica 65? Yeah, 65cc. I'll link the previous video at the end of this video so you can see it, but anyway, I traded this saw, well, I'm in the midst of trading this saw for the labor to fix this pressure washer. And I got this pressure washer running today and it made no power, and then just took apart the pump head. So I took out those 6 valves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I found inside like a white sandy grit. I can't describe it as anything but white sandy grit, and every valve, guys, all these valves were jammed with this white grit. So I took them all out, cleaned them all out, put them back together. This thing now makes a ton of pressure, but the unloader's jammed. I suspect that unloader right there is probably also full of this white sandy grit, and it's causing it to stick. So next day I'm gonna deal with that, but that's another video. So back to this. Anyway, customer that owns that machine told me he would give me this machine if I fix that machine. Now, this I wouldn't have paid more than $50 for, but I'm into that machine for probably $100 worth of time now. So this deal is starting not to be worth my while, but I'm into it, and I've done well on everything else in this shop, guys. These mowers and these things over here. So once in a while you gotta take one for the team and not do well. I could probably sell this for 200 bucks, but anyway, point of this video is I'm gonna clean this saw. I want to show you how I clean it. So I got a little my secret weapon right there, the citrus cleaner, and what I like to do is just give these things a nice little coat of the citrus cleaner. I've got it mixed 50 to 1, no, what am I saying, 50 to 1, 50-50. So there's half the citrus soap in there, and half is the water. And what we like to do, sorry, this is kind of a cheesy video, it's the end of the night, it's about 8 o'clock here, and I'm done for the night. I got to roll in a few machines and call it a day. But I've been going since about 5:30 this morning. Kind of want to go home and sit down for half an hour and before I got to go to bed and do it again tomorrow. So anyway, give that baby a little spray with the secret weapon. Then we got our handy dandy little electric pressure washer, and what we do is we turn that baby on. Alright guys, so she looks a little better, don't she? Now it's got to be worth 200 bucks. Next video I'll put some gas into her and we'll see if we can get her to fire up. But probably just washed off 10 years or 15 years of storage grime. Anyway, that wasn't a very great video, but I wanted to just show you the cleaning of the saw because I knew it was going to look good when we were done with it. Didn't know it was going to look this good. Hit the subscribe button to catch more videos about this, and thanks for watching.